So is it worth it replacing those? I mean, because I think like Classic Industries, I can get them for pretty cheap.
Yeah, or I can make them too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can make custom. I do custom exhaust, everything like that.
Okay.
So yeah, I can definitely make them, like, depending if you want to change the mufflers, you want stock mufflers still, or you want stock tailpipes.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep everything pretty much stock for the most part, but
these will still work. These aren't gonna be an issue. And like I said, it's just
the surface rust.
Same as what's on.
Yeah, because what I didn't like about this is these are the original. These aren't aftermarket, but they welded them on instead of bolting them on. So where they're, they should be out a tiny bit more, but they're not. But
if I can adjust it, I can move it a little bit.
Yeah.
From the brackets and stuff.
Right.
Since now that I cut it off, I can.
Yeah, it's just the aftermarket ones. You could tell on the aftermarket just how they look. You can definitely tell. But I mean, everything else is looking pretty clean. So they supposedly, I mean, the tranny should be good, rebuilt, flywheel, clutch, all of that, and then it had a Dana rear end before. It got swapped out with this one, which is fairly new, but that'll get replaced at some point as well. But that should all be pretty clean. That, the tranny, everything should be really good. All right, well, cool. I'll wait, and then once the tranny's out and it comes back down, then I'll suction mount it real quick, and then that can run for however long. And then if you still think we're fine, I'll let Royalty know. Maybe they can come a little bit later, like at 4. Okay.
It's literally just pull this back side of the transmission off, and then we'll lift it out the top. Not too hard.
Cool.
All right.
Well, awesome. Appreciate it.
Okay, you want it off the front or over the side?
You can grab it right here. All right.
Oh, press boot on already. Yeah, sorry.
Down.
Do the stop one. Wait, we gotta wait until he gets this top one started, then we can tilt it. Huh? It's been in multiple locations. See, look how they are up there. Seems like it's one goes right about there. It's not just up.
No, to the front one?
Yeah, we are.
And just leave the back one loose. Good? Oh.
Nope.
What the fuck else up over there?
He said leave the back one kind of loose.
Leave that one loose? Yeah, just get it as finger tight as you can. But leave it loose so it can kind of self-adjust when you put it down. It doesn't so much bang against the tank. Good. That's how you used to come back.
Well, I wasn't going to bother filming moving the cars around at night, not with a GoPro, but I'm happy to say everything is back in its place. Barely. I mean, I was starting to sweat it there because remember, the front of the Challenger and the roof is like 4 inches taller. I mean, it looks like a damn gasser now because the motor and transmission and drive line are all out. So you can see by the front, it's sitting pretty high, which means I can't run this ramp up as high as it normally is. I mean, it's like 4 inches lower than normal. So I would go all the way over there and show you the markings. But yeah, so I was starting to sweat it, like if the cheddar wedge was even gonna fit. But yeah, I'm still good, even with the lockout. I mean, that's the thing I was worried about most was, you know, I don't mind leaving it sit, but as long as if there's a problem and this thing hits its lockout, it's gonna drop, you know, another couple inches. But I'm still good. So anyway, at least that's over for right now. So we'll probably the next video, I think like episode 3, will be back down with Scott at Insane Power when we do the motor tear down. I'm not going to film like the whole tear down, but at least the kind of forensic diagnostic of what happened. You know, when the motor's all in pieces laid out on a table, we'll be able to see exactly what happened and try to figure out what the problem was with the overheating and everything else. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you then. All right, I lied. I just had to show you this. Look. I usually cover that sticker if the Challenger's up top and if the Lambo's up top. I mean, that is how high this thing is sitting. And there, I mean, I can't really go any higher. I'm like brushing the ceiling here. So, yeah, glad it fit. And I mean, there's space. I was just, yeah, I mean, I had my hand out the window while I was pulling in. I was that worried. So, all right.